Now, I'd like to show you a drill that will build leg strength by using the same kick in repetition. So, look, can you show us your favorite leg in front? Put your favorite leg in front, okay? So he chose his right. He's a right-legged kicker, so choose right. So it's good to start with a good leg or a good arm to build some confidence before you go on with the other side. So look, from your front side, can we do this drill? I'm going to ask you to pick your front leg up and do a snap kick onto my hand. I'm going to put it down. And as soon as you put it down, you're going to bounce right up with a high snap kick. So 1, 2. Boom, boom. Good. Again. 1, 2. Now, this really helps build speed and also build leg strength. Now, when you start doing this drill, what naturally happens is your back foot starts to bounce a hop, and it's natural. It's important for the holder to give the kicker a visual target to aim. Otherwise, it's hard for them to see where they are, especially if they're younger. So, let's do on my count. You ready? And 1, 2, middle and high. Snap. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now, if you don't have fast hands, or you want to use 2 hands, you can also go like this. Ready? 1, 2. Now, that's actually an advanced version. Please don't do that yet. Look, can you touch the ground each time for me, okay? So, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, we've done one side. Let's go to the other side. Look, please switch feet for us. And I'm going to again put one target about here, and then one here. I'll move my hands out. So, ready? Look, here we go. 10 reps. 1, 2. The power is important. The ability to come off the ground really fast after each one is the main goal. Ready? 3, 4. Also, as holder, make sure your palms, your target are lined up in one path. So don't have them separated. It should be in one path for the kicker to be able to hit one and come right up in the same line to strike the other. Let's go on, I think. Let's do 4. Ready? 4, 5. Good job. 6. Use the ground. There you go. 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. So that is how we use one kick in different reps for low and high. Could we use this with round kicks? Yes, we can. Let's do a quick example with Luke showing his favorite side in front again. And we'll go low round, touch, high round, touch. Ready? 1, 2. Again, you don't have to use a noodle. You don't have one. Your palm works just fine as target. 1 and 2. Provided your child doesn't blast your hand too hard that you can't handle it. But a noodle works just great for us. Let's go up to 10 this side. 3, 4. There you go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. To the side, other side. Same idea. We'll go low and then high. If we go slow, Luke, then we get 1 round, land, 2 round, land. Third one is the jumping front leg round. So let's go slow so our viewer can see a bit. So 1, 2, 3. Now we'll go at a more higher ball pace. So ready, Luke? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, knees up. That's it. It's important that you bring your knee up between the second and third kick. If you don't do that, it's a lot harder. So let's do it again. Fun round, jump, fun round. That's 1. Fun round, jump fun. That's 2. 1, 2, 3. By the way, if you don't have someone to hold a noodle or target for you, you can definitely do this on your own, especially for an adult student or a teen student who feel like they know they're doing it, they don't need someone to coach them. Just pull a space out wherever you are. I think a 6 to 8 feet space is more than plenty if you do these drills. Also depends on how tall you are. But you don't have to have a target. Having a target for younger students really helps them focus and concentrate and get a certain height and speed. But without that, you can still do it. So look, let's do about 3 more of these. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, jump 3. Ready, go. 1, 2, ho! Oh, again. 1, 2. One more. 1, 2, 3. Guess what? Other side. So, same idea. Can you please show us this side? 1, Ready, go. 1, 2,